हेलो वर्ल्ड, वेलकम टू इन मिरेकलस वर्ल्ड। इफ़ यू आर न्यू ईयर, मैं हूँ सोनल और आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ बात करने वाली हूँ। बात नहीं करने वाली हूँ, बेसिकली मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ, एक रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ मैं आप लोगों के साथ टैरो डेक के ऊपर। इट्स बेसिकली एन ओरेकल कार्ड एंड इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन टैरो, सो दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू। टैरो कार्ड्स आर अ डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स जिसमें हर कार्ड के अंदर, हर कार्ड के ऊपर एक मीनिंग होता है और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव, बहुत ही एनर्जी वाली मीनिंग होती है इसमें और बहुत ही जेन्युइन होती है। I am very much connected to tarot cards. I am not a professional tarot reader. I am not at all a professional tarot reader, but I have a couple of decks और बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव है। और जितने भी टैरो डेक्स हैं, आई एम वेरी मच कनेक्टेड टू दीज डेक्स एंड आई ओनली डू tarot reading for myself whenever I feel low, whenever I have some issues and problems to solve. Basically, to solve problems, I read tarot only for myself. Earlier I was a bit skeptical about tarot when I heard about it, but it is not as scary as it sounds. It's a beauty. If you are actually connected to the energy, you can get accurate result. For me, tarot doesn't predict a future, but it helps to guide, or it helps to find a solution. If you are stuck in some place, if you are stuck in a relationship, if you are stuck somewhere, so this tarot cards are for you, and it's full of energy. So let's get started and let's do a review on this oracle card. तो जैसे मैं इंट्रो में बताना भूल गई थी कि टुडे इज़ थर्सडे एंड on Thursdays I don't talk about law of attraction. So today we'll do a sneak peek on this beautiful and recently purchased this my favorite mystical wisdom oracle card deck. I hope you all can see this card, and it's very wonderful deck and I'll do a review on this. So first goes, this is the box of this card, and I'll just keep this box aside. So this is the booklet of this wonderful mystical wisdom oracle card deck. This is a very beautiful booklet, and as you can see the outside part, it's so beautiful. The girl is so damn cute. And if I'll open this book, and this book is basically about the cards, so how to use these cards, and the meaning, each and every cards of the meaning is mentioned in this booklet. And as you can see, I have purchased this from Amazon, so you can see the pictures clarity. It's so neat, so tidy, so clean. Each and everything is mentioned so perfectly, and like it's mentioned good fortune, the description is mentioned here, gratitude, the description is mentioned here. Next is illusion, intuition, knowledge, leadership, moving forward, new beginnings. I'm not reading the whole book, but just to see you, I'm just reading the I'm just giving you a rough idea, like opportunity knocks, originality, and ये सारी चीज़ें इस book cards में है, which I'll show it to you right now. And see, this is the front side of this booklet, and this is the back side of this booklet, and it's so beautiful. I'm in love with this card. I'm in love with this. Seriously, मुझे बहुत ही, I'm getting a very positive energy. So let's start the, I'll just show you one by one each and every deck. I'll just show you. I'll just show the meaning. Basically, the affirmations are mentioned here, and one by one, I'll just show you right now. So first comes this card. I hope you all can see this beautiful card. This is second card. This is Angel of Miracles, Animal Bond, Battle of the Blues, celebration. See, as you can see, the card is so beautifully drawn. And इस कार्ड की सबसे अच्छी बात, मुझे डेक की सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी कि अगर इसमें, एक तो सबसे अच्छी बात है कि इसमें नीचे यू कैन सी द मीनिंग इज़ मैंशन, द एफर्मेशन इज़ मैंशन. बट बाय एनी चांस अगर मीनिंग एफर्मेशन नहीं भी लिखा हो, तो बाय सीइंग द पिक्चर्स यू कैन क्लियरली सी द मीनिंग, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट्स ड्रॉन. Next is cheer up. See, like I said, the cards are very smooth and soft, so I need to arrange it again and again. Next is children, choices, competition, confrontation, creative wonderment, dolphin, dove. In each and every card the meaning is mentioned, guys. As you can see, dragon. See the how the beautiful the dragon picture is. I hope you can see now. I hope you can see the each and every deck, you can see clearly. Dragonfly, dreams. See how beautiful this deck is. Very beautiful, and I can very much connect to this beautiful cards. Enlightenment, what a lovely card. Epiphany, face your fears. I'm so sorry, face your fears. Very beautiful. Friendship, go with the flow. Good fortune, gratitude, illusions, intuitions, knowledge, leadership, legends, letting go, memories, money, moving forward, new beginnings, opportunity knocks, originality, owl. See how beautifully, very colorful, guys. You can see it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's a must buy deck. I'm so sorry. Peacock, potential, resilience. Such a beautiful affirmation is mentioned. Rise above tribulations. Self-reliance, don't be afraid to fly solo. Very true. हम इस दुनिया में अकेले आए हैं, अकेले ही जाएंगे, तो अकेले ही जीना है. Sensuality, express your sensuality. 7 deadly sins, 7 heavenly virtues. Unicorn. Last but not the least is vacation. Take time for relaxation and adventure. सही बात है यार, इस भाग दौड़ बड़ी भरी दुनिया में एक वैकेशन, एक ब्रेक की तो बहुत ज़रूरत है. So these were the beautiful lovely decks which I have shown as a review, and I hope you guys like this beautiful deck. ये इसका कवर है, ये डेक्स है, एंड दिस इज़ द बुकलेट इज़ अ ब्यूटी. सो वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू परचेज दिस, आई हैव परचेज दिस फ्रॉम अमेज़ॉन. मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी. टिल देन सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर.